Hey guys, it's Green Splatter and welcome to a new series called The Grinder. So in today's video, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be using this antique grinder to grind up some bread. And if you guys get 10 likes on this video, we will do another video in the future of upgrading our setup and eventually getting a more modern grinder. Enjoy the video. Okay guys, so what we've got first, what we're going to do today, is we're going to grind up some of this old bread. No reason why, just to grind. So let's get into it. So what you do, you shove the bread down here and I turn it this way and it comes out of an end right here. I'll move the camera so you guys can see it. But yeah, this is basically what you do. You've got to kind of push down on the bread so it all goes to the auger in here. Pretty cool how they used to grind up meat and stuff in the old days. Of course, meat's too expensive, so I'm not going to use it, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Now, since it's an old grinder, there's a thing under the grinder that holds it to the counter, and it's not very good, so mind if I stop grinding sometimes to tighten that. But yeah, it's just so it doesn't fall off, because that'd be tragic. And it keeps falling off. Well, this is what the series is for, to upgrade this thing and get it better. Got another piece. We've got a piece in 2 fists to go, and we'll be done grinding this old bread up. And I'm going to feed this to the birds tomorrow, so it doesn't go to waste. Turn the bowl because it's getting full. If you guys like these kind of different videos and gaming, let me know down below and I'll do more sorts like it. Had to put it on again. Let me tighten it. There we go. Takes a bit of muscle, but I got it. It's coming out thick, guys. Thick. Clean that off real fast. Put the last piece in. And guys, this is a little boring to you. It's alright, because if you liked the video, remember, 10 likes will upgrade the setup and it'll be a pretty awesome setup in the future. So make sure you like, or else you might miss out on a great future series. It's hard because some bread gets stuck. It's right in this one spot by the auger, so I have to keep clearing it out. That's why I keep stopping. Now, if you guys like my channel, make sure to share the video with your friends and share my channel with your friends. But also comment on the video that you liked it. And remember, 10 likes and we will do another series on this. Well, a series. Shouldn't say another series, but yeah. So basically, to clear the thing out completely, you have to use a butter knife because it gets stuck down here. So kind of clearing it out. Clear it through. Should be the last of the bread, guys. Short video, but it's a good one. hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is what we got out of it. Nice, satisfying breadcrumbs, or compact breadcrumbs. But yeah, I'll feed this to the birds, and the birds will be happy. And I'll be happy if we get 10 likes on this video. So remember to subscribe, share this channel with your friends, and peace out.